He said he wants to talk to you about having an orange steamer.
Woohoo! You got him, baby.
But he needed my permission first. He said he'll even pay for you for the price as long as you pay him now. It's where you buy the orange, you buy the gums, and then the inside. I don't know how long it was, but you did it here. Ready? Ready? Oh, so she can, but I cannot.
Exactly. Now she's all mad in.
Hey, look, I'm gonna feel Olaf. She can get sick. Get over here. I'm gonna feel Olaf. I'm gonna feel Olaf. I'm gonna feel Olaf. Hey, Olaf. Yeah. Hi, Olaf. Olaf. Hi, Olaf. Hi, Olaf. Hi, Olaf. Okay, hi, Olaf. Look, Olaf. Look, Olaf.
Who's that?
A bush. It's a bush.
I agree. I think it's the Grinch
It's like
mountain.
You know the big dinosaur down in Buffalo?
Yeah.
And at the big way, it fell off, so the bottom it broke off. So now you look like an anteater.
I gotta go down Tree Tie and see how this looks.
Why?
With the big waves and
Oh.
all that. I like to see what had that would do it on there.
3.
She feeling the holes.
Putting the hole. You ready? And he's gonna make my snowball. You gotta get ready to run. No! Get ready to run. She's getting like one string.
The thing, the feet must be all wet.
She'd fall right in the water. Face first.
What happened to your snowman?
It's Olaf, but she calls it what was it?
A bush.
A bush.
Doesn't look like Olaf.
It's a bush. Also, what? More time. And he does a good job.
What is that? I took the drug test yesterday.
Ambry, who is that? Is this Olaf?
No.
Who's that? A bush. You ready? One more time. Here I come. Making my ball. You get ready. Ambry, breathe. Get ready.
Ow, so what?
I
I
meant
think.
to get that.
I'm gonna get the push. I'm gonna get the push. And top of it. And push. Oi.
That was there. It's like the mommy. Nine.
Like what?
The mommy, how she stay here.
Saying no. She said no.
Oh.
No, no.